Hello, wonderful brains. I'm back here with your English textbook, Language of Odyssey, Class 5, Acknowledged Series by Amit Publishing House. So, children, are you ready to start with your friend Aprajita? So, here we start lesson number 4 today. And the lesson is Birds of Paradise. Birds of paradise. Different birds, beautiful birds. Let's see what is this about. This is a poem, children. And about the poem, first let's read about the poem. What's there in this poem? Birds of Paradise is a very lovely poem written by Christiana Rossetti. It means here that the birds are beautiful creatures on this earth. Yes, you all must have seen, आप सबने देखा होगा अलग अलग तरह की different colors की different तरह की birds देखी होंगी आपने. There are many beautiful birds on this earth. Each and everything, the way they do is so amazing. Yes, आप लोगों ने देखा भी होगा कि birds किस तरह की चीजें करती हैं, कैसे amazing चीजें करती हैं. There are amazing birds too. The way they fly, the way they look, the way they chirp. कैसे chirping करती हैं, चू करती हैं. So these are all the amazing things which are done by these amazing birds. So let's start with this poem. Golden winged, silver winged, winged with flashing flame. Such a flight of birds I saw, birds without a name, singing songs in their own tongue, song of songs they came. Now children, there are so many different kinds of birds on this earth. Some are golden winged, किसी के wings golden color के हैं, किसी के silver color के हैं, winged with flashing flame. Flashing flame means किसी के बिल्कुल bright color के wings हैं. Such a flight, the poet says, I saw such kind of birds without a name. बहुत सारे birds के तो हमें नाम भी नहीं पता है. There are many different kinds of birds on this earth, beautiful birds, singing songs in their own tongue. वो गाना भी गाती हैं, chirping जो करती हैं, वो उनका language, they have their own language and they sing a song. They always sing a song in their own language. One to another calling, each answering each. One to another calling in their proper speech. एक दूसरे को बुलाती भी हैं, वो एक दूसरे से बातें भी करती हैं. जो birds हैं, have you ever seen birds? एक झुंड में जब birds बैठी होती हैं, बहुत सारी birds, तो वो chirp करती हैं, तो दूसरी bird भी chirp करती हैं. They talk amongst themselves. उनकी अपनी भाषा है बात करने की, गाना गाने की, और उनका अपना एक speech है एक दूसरे को समझने. High above my head they wheeled, far out of reach. हमारे सिर के बहुत ऊपर से वो उड़ती जाती है. पोएट कहता है मेरे सिर के ऊपर से वो उड़ती है और कभी पकड़ में नहीं आती. Have you ever caught a bird? आप ऊपर से उड़ रही है बर्ड, उसको ऐसे पकड़ा जा सकता है? No, we cannot. On wings of flame they went and came. Wings of flame means bright. मैंने कहा था अभी bright colored wings, bright wings of many color. With a candle's clang. Candle's clang means a regular pattern of metallic sound. एक pattern होता है sound का. Their silver wings tinkled. Silver color के जो wings है वो tinkle करते हैं. Their golden wings rang. The wind it whistled through their wings. जब वो flap करती हैं अपने wings, उनका एक अलग pattern होता है. Bright colored birds, then they flatter their wings. जब वो उड़ती हैं तो एक अलग तरह की आवाज आती है. उनके wings को flap करने की भी एक अलग तरह की आवाज होती है. Where in heaven they sang, they flashed and they darted. Flash means sudden burst of flame or light, and darted sudden forward movement. A while before my eyes, अचानक से कोई bird उड़ के चली गई. पोएट के आंखों के सामने से they flashed sudden burst of flame. Mounting, mounting, mounting still in haste to scale the skies. आपने देखा होगा बर्ड्स उड़ती चली जाती हैं, उड़ती चली जा रही हैं दूर स्काईज में, हाई इन द स्काई. दे जस्ट कीप ऑन फ्लाइंग एंड फ्लाइंग एंड फ्लाइंग. Birds without a nest on the earth, birds of paradise. Many of the birds, they don't have a nest also, but the whole world is their paradise. ये पूरा घर, ये जो पूरा अर्थ है उनका घर है, birds का घर है. Everywhere you can find birds sitting on a tree, sitting on the wall, flying high in the sky, flying low, chirping, talking amongst themselves. So the whole world, the whole earth is the paradise. Birds of paradise. इस paradise की वो इस दुनिया की birds हैं. And the poet is Christiana Rossetti. Fine children, a beautiful poem by the poet. In a nutshell, what you read in this poem, क्या पढ़ा आपने इस poem में, क्या था इस poem में? In this poem we have learned that the birds are beautiful creatures on this earth. As I told you, they are very, very beautiful birds, that their true home may be paradise, a heavenly realm far beyond the grasp of mere mortals. उनका true home कोई paradise कोई होगा, but we always see them flying and flying. We don't know where their homes are. हमने कभी उनका घर नहीं देखा है, हमने उनका paradise जो है वो नहीं, we have not seen, we mere mortals, we have not seen their paradise, but they always fly high in the sky. They have their own birds paradise. The whole earth is there, the whole world is their paradise, but we have not seen their actual birds paradise, from where they come and from where they go. Okay? To know more, there are more than 18,000 bird species in this world. Children, look, 18,000 से भी ज़्यादा तरह की birds हैं हमारी दुनिया में, हमारे वर्ल्ड में 18,000 से भी ज़्यादा birds की species. Isn't it very strange to read this? Yes. Now the testing time. Tick the correct options. Singing songs in their own tongue means that the birds were making a lot of noise, singing in the sound typical of their species, using tongue to sing, none of the above. Singing songs in their own tongue means singing in the sounds typical of their species. उनका जैसा language जो speech है, उसी speech में वो बात. Another line from the poem which refers to the own tongue of the birds is, each answering each, in the heaven they sing, in their proper speech. None of these. It's in their proper speech. एक proper speech है birds की, अपनी भाषा है. It's in their proper speech. Now let's move ahead. Find out any 3 pair of rhyming words from the poem. We have to find out 3 pair of rhyming words, children. So let's see what are those rhyming words. Okay, children. Now let's do something more. Find out any 3 pairs of rhyming words from the poem. अभी आपने poem पढ़ी, दोबारा से पढ़िएगा इस poem को. Then you'll be able to find out many rhyming words in that poem. Rhyming words क्या होते हैं? आप सबने grammar में किया हुआ है. Rhyming words are the rhythmic words जिनका एक rhythm होता है और they are similar sounding words. So in this poem we have read of this bird's paradise. Here some rhyming words are flame, came, flame, came. Each speech, speak it out, read it out. You'll be able to hear the similar sound. Clang, rang, clang, rang. So these were some of the rhyming words. Now fill in the blanks with say, says, tell or tells. Say का मतलब बोलना and tell का मतलब बताना. Can you tell me this address? क्या आप मुझे ये एड्रेस बता सकते हैं? Tell. Priya tells the lie to everyone. हमेशा झूठ बताती है, झूठ बोलती है. The children say the prayer daily. बोलते हैं, बोलना. Daily prayer बोलते. Children say the prayer daily. The children's grandmother tells them bedtime stories every night. Please tell your mother that I have come. बताओ, बोलो अपनी मदर को, बताओ अपनी मदर को कि मैं आई. My father and mother did not tell anything about their hard times. So, now what's next? Fill in the blanks with a or an. A or an. What are these? Articles. So, articles भी आपने अपने ग्रामर में पढ़े हैं, तो आइए यहाँ fill करते हैं. Madhu is dash famous football player. Madhu is a famous football player. Megha is a hard-working student. Is Rohan honest boy? Honest. Oh, vowel sound is coming, so we'll put an here. Is Rohan an honest boy? A lion is an animal. Why an animal? An? Because it's starting with the vowel A. Is coffee a beneficial drink? This is a university. Why I have written a here, children? You can say, आप बोलेंगे कि ये तो U से शुरू हो रहा है, vowel से शुरू हो रहा है, but इसका sound क्या आ रहा है? U. University, U का sound आ रहा है. कोई vowel sound नहीं आ रहा है, इसलिए इससे पहले A लगाया. Sheetal is a good girl. Fine, children? Now, read and discuss. Endangered animals are those species of animals that are in danger of becoming extinct. Endangered animals किसे कहते हैं? जो कि इस पृथ्वी से गायब होते जा रहे हैं, उन्हें कहते हैं endangered animals. Some animals like the dodo have already become extinct. Many animals like the Bengal tiger, the Asian elephant and the great Indian bustard are endangered. ये सब species, ये सब जो है animals, ये extinct हो चुकी हैं, endangered हो चुकी हैं. Endangered मतलब खत्म होते जा रहे हैं धीरे धीरे. Some like the bald eagle have been saved just in time from becoming extinct. ये जो bald eagle है, इसको बचा लिया गया है गायब होने से, extinct होने से. So let us pledge to make the earth habitable for all the varied creatures who live in it. हमें इन species को बचाना है, हमें pledge करना चाहिए, हमें promise लेना चाहिए. The bird of paradise is one such enchanting creature whom we have to protect for future generations. हमें bird जो paradise है birds का, इसको हमें बचाना है. इतने प्यारे प्यारे जो birds हैं paradise में, उनको हमें save करना है. We need to save it for future. Fine? Now listen to the poem carefully and answer these questions. What is the poet talking about in this poem? Birds, horses or trees? The poet is talking about the birds. The poem just now which I had read, there the poet is talking about the birds. What were the birds doing? अभी जो आपने पढ़ा birds paradise में क्या था? Birds were dancing, singing, sleeping. They were dancing. What did the wind whistle through? Mountain, valley or wings? The wind whistled through the wings. Which other line from the poem refers to the tongue of the birds? In their proper speech, their silver wings tinkled, winged with flashing flame. Tongue of the birds mean in their proper speech. Fine? Now here children, write a short paragraph on parrot or peacock. Parrot. पैरट के बारे में भी आप लोगों को पता है और पीकॉक के बारे में भी पता है. पीकॉक तो हमारा नेशनल बर्ड है. So you are all must be knowing about the peacock very well. So you have to write a short paragraph on any one of it. या तो पैरट के बारे में लिखिए या पीकॉक के बारे में लिखिए. Okay, this is your work to do in your notebook. And this one, draw or paste a picture of any one endangered animal, bird in your name. Endangered means अभी आपको बताया जो कि इस पृथ्वी से गायब होते जा रहे हैं, उनके बारे में बंगाल टाइगर हो गया, डोडो हो गया. तो इन सब के बारे में इनके आप यहाँ पे पिक्चर्स पेस्ट, एनी वन, किसी एक का पिक्चर आपको यहाँ पे पेस्ट करना है. फाइन, डू इट इन योर नोटबुक. And here we end the chapter, children. So stay excited for the clamp of next video. Till then, bye. Have a nice time.